Dental health plays a vital role in your overall well-being. This educational video explains how dental problems begin, including
When we don't clean our teeth properly, plaque begins to form. Plaque is a sticky layer of bacteria that damages teeth and gums.
Bacteria feed on sugar and produce acids. These acids attack tooth enamel, slowly weakening and damaging it. Over time, acid damage creates cavities. If untreated, decay spreads deeper and can reach the nerve, causing pain. Plaque also affects gums, leading to gingivitis and gum disease. Gums become red, swollen, and may bleed easily.
When enamel or gums are damaged, teeth become sensitive to hot, cold, or sweet foods.
Bacteria in the mouth can also cause bad breath. Poor oral hygiene is one of the most common reasons.
Regular dental checkups and professional cleaning remove plaque and tartar that brushing alone cannot.
Brush twice a day using proper technique, and floss daily to clean between teeth where bacteria hide.
With good daily care and regular dental visits, damaged teeth and gums can return to a healthy state.
Teaching children good dental habits early helps protect their smiles for life.
A healthy smile is not just beautiful, it's essential for overall health. Take care of your teeth every day.